out. Pink polos, I hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig review is going to be from West Kiss Hair. They sent me this curly unit HD lace and it is bomb. Let me say I'm sorry for my smoke detector. It's going to be beeping throughout the video. Sorry, but you know, we'll get over it. So this is what the wig's looking like. I lightly plucked it. I did not have to pluck it that much, to be honest. And this wig install was fairly easy. I just did a I used the Even Wonder Bond lace spray, and I did 3 layers of it, and I dried it on cool in between each layer. And then you don't want to blow dry it to make it completely dry. You want to blow dry it to get it tacky, and then you put the lace over. So yeah, this wig was really cute. I was struggling a little bit because I'm blind, child. I'm blind and I got a big head, so that's like a double homicide. And I didn't feel like putting my contacts in, because you know, I would only have it in for like the video, like for however long the video was, and I don't want to waste my contacts like that because they're disposable. So yeah, I just, you know, took my glasses off and brought the mirror close to me. So you might see me struggling a little bit just because, you know, your girl gotta make these wigs fit her head, because a lot of these wigs aren't really big head friendly, but this wig was actually kind of big head friendly. It was bigger than some of the other, you know, previous wigs I've had. So yeah, it wasn't too hard to make fit. I just had to pull it forward a little bit harder. But yeah, so I'm gonna be done talking for this video. I'm gonna let you guys finish watching so you guys won't have to hear my smoke detector beep all throughout the video. But yeah, I actually like this wig install. It turned out really cute. Got so many compliments on it. The hair was very soft and the hairline was perfect. So, you know, and it was easy to pluck. So I do say this is a beginner friendly wig. I didn't put any products on the hair. I just put water and then I brushed it and did some finger coils in the front part of the hair, but you'll see that in the video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Okay, so this is the end result. You could kind of still see my cap under there, but that's my fault because I forgot to tint the lace. But otherwise, you see how bomb it is. The edges look amazing. It looks all natural. I really love this wig. Don't come for my makeup child, because you know, if y'all know, I'm still learning, and I got the foundation shade in the wrong shade, so it's a little brighter than my body. But you know, I try to fix that with some little editing of the color, you know, and exposure to make it not look as crazy as it did. But yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.